What is going on? This is AlTone and happy Saturday morning. We're going to try to make this as quick as possible. The giveaway has completed. It completed at midnight last night, and I really appreciate you. So, like I said, the giveaway is actually ended, and we are going to select our winner. So here we go. I'm on my page, and now we're going to draw the one winner for the $20 Amazon gift card giveaway. So we're going to be sending the gift card to the winner. I've got the gift card actually set up. So this is what the gift card is going to look like that you'll be receiving. It is an e-gift card. So we're going to go ahead and hit the draw button and see who the winner is. Drum roll. So there we have it. Our winner is Samantha, the 932nd entry, and she will be receiving a gift card from me in just a few moments via email. And we're going to go and fill in her information and go ahead and send that out to her shortly. And Samantha, if you happen to check this, or you happen to be watching this, your gift card is actually going to look like this. It's going to say AlTone Giveaways, and I appreciate you and appreciate all of you, because at this point the number of followers that we actually have has grown tremendously. Not only that, but I'm also going to update this page with the giveaway winner's name. So I really do appreciate you. Thank you so much for all of the support. So on the next live stream, I will be doing a giveaway. So thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you. Thanks for participating. Congratulations to Samantha. And I look forward to seeing you guys here on YouTube or on Amazon in the near future. So thank you so much. Talk to you soon.